Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to patch Instagram on your old phone. Now, I'm only going to make an account for this tutorial. I will not be using it at all. Now this won't really patch Instagram, but it'll kind of be like UVR, or I guess it's called IV now. But yeah, just going to be a separate platform than Instagram. So for iOS, you want to go to rgdownload.sfproj.xyz, go to iOS. So yeah, for iOS 6 you want to download 5.0, and for iOS 5 you just want to download 4.0 or 4.1. Alright, so now that you have your IPA, you want to just open up AppManager, install, downloads, and there we go. So it'll say Instagram, but it'll be using Retrogram servers. Now I think you do sign up from the app, so I'll just do. Alright, then afterwards you just hit done. Yes. Next. Skip. 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 And there you go. Alright, so that's how you patch Retrogram on iOS 6. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.